Welcome to my YouTube channel. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 is a motorcycle that stands out because of its incredible power, sleek design, and advanced technology. This bike has a 1077cc V4 engine, which delivers a thrilling amount of power, whether you're accelerating on a straight road or navigating tight corners. The Tuono V4's engine is ready to give you the performance you need. The engine is designed to offer smooth power delivery, which helps make every ride more exciting while maintaining control. This engine is what makes the Tuono V4 such a great choice for riders who love both speed and precision. One of the key features of the 2025 Tuono V4 is its cutting-edge electronics. The bike comes equipped with an advanced ride-by-wire throttle system, which means the bike adjusts to the way you ride. With this system, the bike can be responsive in all conditions, whether you're riding through rain or enjoying a sunny day on twisty roads. There are multiple riding modes available, including sport, touring, and rain. These modes let riders choose how they want the bike to behave, whether it's for maximum performance or for smoother, more controlled riding in less than ideal conditions. The Tuono V4 also features a top-of-the-line suspension system. This helps keep the bike stable and smooth, even at higher speeds or on uneven surfaces. The suspension absorbs bumps and keeps the ride comfortable, no matter where you're riding. This balance of power and handling makes the bike fun and easy to ride in any situation. When it comes to looks, the 2025 Tuono V4 doesn't disappoint. Its aggressive design gives the bike a fast, sharp appearance that matches its performance. The sleek bodywork and aerodynamic shape are not just for show, they also help improve stability at higher speeds. The bike is also built with high-quality materials, which contribute to its overall strength and lightness. This means the Tuono V4 can go fast while staying safe and stable. Whether you're cornering or braking hard, comfort is another important aspect of the Tuono V4. While many sport bikes focus on performance, Aprilia has made sure that this bike also provides a good level of comfort for long rides. The seat has been redesigned to provide better support, and the bike's ergonomics are aimed at reducing rider fatigue. You'll find that even on long trips, the Tuono V4 doesn't feel uncomfortable. This is perfect for riders who want the thrill of a sports bike but still want to be able to enjoy longer journeys without too much discomfort. In addition to all of these features, the Tuono V4's braking system is top-notch, with high-performance Brembo brakes. This bike offers excellent stopping power, which is essential for both safety and control. The brakes are responsive and allow for quick, smooth stops, which are especially useful when you're riding in challenging conditions or need to react quickly.